ZANU-PF hardliners have accused former party commissar Serrious Kasukwere of plotting to remove President Emmerson Mnangagwa from office. Sanapinda mashoko kudanyuka pana pari kuona kuti aiwa Serrious Kasukwere anoonekwa kunzi aiwa ndo vakomana veG40 panguva ino is rallying for the removal emutungamiri wenyika Emmerson Mnangagwa. Don't forget to subscribe, like, or turn the bell icon. Tipira panapa munhu wamwe kudanyuka muchinzi. This accusation stems from Kasukwere's alleged involvement with a group of war veterans led by Blessed Geza, who are spearheading a campaign to oust Mnangagwa. The war veterans, who recently held a press conference, have expressed their discontent with Mnangagwa's leadership, stating that he has failed and is not fit to run this country. They have called Mnangagwa to resign peacefully or face unspecified action. Geza's faction opposes Mnangagwa's potential 30-term bid, which is being pushed by a rival faction within the party. Kasukwere, currently living in exile in South Africa, has been viewed as a threat to Mnangagwa's administration since his failed attempt to return to Zimbabwe in the run for president in 2023. Mnangagwa's allies have reportedly launched a witch hunt to uncover supporters of Geza's campaign. Domashkaruda panapa arikunoka kunzi aiwa vakomana na Bombshell Geza nana Kasukwere, they are trying by all means to remove mutungamiri wenyika. Arikuona kuti Kasukwere panguva ino anokonzi one of the members with the G40 vakaonekwa kunzi aiwa panguva the 2017 coup, these are some of the guys who ran away from the country vachiona kuti vangasingakwanisi kupararama kana the operation restore legacy ichinge yava in power. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pena comment section medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, or turn on the bell icon.